Welcome back. You're watching Storyboard. Lintas has moved headquarters from Express Towers at Nariman Point to BKC. Express Towers, in fact, has been home to Lintas since 1971 for over 4 decades. And now the company has brought together employees of 4 different Lintas offices in Mumbai under one roof for the first time in 48 years. What has led to this move and what's brewing at Lintas? Storyboards Ankita Saxena checks in at the new Lintas office to find out.
Hi Virat, hi Amir, welcome to CNBC TV 18.
Hi.
So you have finally moved into this huge office in BKC from your headquarters, if I may call it, your ex-headquarters. You've been there since 1971, almost for more than 4 decades. Why did you move in together here, getting all the people from 4 different offices in Mumbai under one roof? What led to your move in?
So when Amir and I took over the new role, we realized it was actually quite a Darwinian moment for the industry and for the agency in some ways. And so there was so as we thought through, what kind of a future do we want to build for the organization going forward, what kind of culture we want to make. It led us to think of actually bringing all our services under one roof so that we could collaborate better. It led us to think that we should have a more open organization, a more egalitarian work culture, more agile work culture. Because that's really where the world is moving, and we wanted to move all our different specialist divisions also so that we could collaborate.
This hyper bundle thing that we believe in and we sort of practice needed a statement from the agency, right? We had 4 offices in Bombay doing different things, different capabilities set up everywhere. We had a whole new company which was doing omni-channel marketing and different things at various places, but we were just split everywhere. And I think that time had come for an internal sort of announcement.
So you mentioned 2-3 things: the new era for Lintas, then you had to make a statement, and you talk about hyper bundling of services across categories: creative, digital, PR. Then there is restructuring happening in general in the advertising industry right now. Do you think this is the need of the hour? Is it time that we reinvent in advertising? It's now or never. Whoever misses the bus loses the game.
Not unique to Lintas, but what is happening in the industry is clients are feeling that you're not really providing us the full end-to-end solutions. So that was a big moment of realization. It happened a few years ago. So what we've done is we are now really making more and more hyper bundle solutions around our clients' problems, around their opportunities, data-led insights. So there's actually a lot going on in terms of embracing technology, embracing the digital world.
I'll take a cue from that. Consumer behavior is changing, and practically every category is now getting disrupted by technology. Yeah. Brands are finding it more and more difficult and challenging to win in the marketplace. How do you create thumb-stopping work? The term I'll use is thumb-stopping because you need to stop them from scrolling up. Not stopping in the tracks, but perhaps thumb-stopping work. How do you build brands in this digital age?
2 main things that have emerged is personalization. So we need to now get, like what Amir was saying, our understanding of consumer. So how can we sharply now understand the various cohorts? How can we understand how to tailor the message according to insights that we get from their digital behavior? All that data is available. We are tapping into the data. Like I said, we've developed a tool. We are tapping into that data and getting our message and our communication more and more targeted more and more personalized for the digital audience. The other thing is, with the growing clutter, the content barrage that you are facing, it puts even more pressure on the communication, on the creative people to deliver what we call an unfair share of attention for the brand.
Two well-kept secrets, okay? One very old and one very new.
Do tell.
Okay. I think the first well-kept secret that people, think about us, they think Lintas is a creative company. Creative is the product. Lintas is a strategy company.
Okay.
Our biggest point of pride has always been strategy. And strategy comes from consumer, right? So that's, according to me, when strategy that we, oriented ourselves to always, communication strategy, consumer strategy, we always oriented ourselves to that. When people say that, oh, you're a creative company, creative companies have huge competition and all that, I stop them and I say, creative is a shop down the road. Do not call us a creative company. You can get a script written from anybody. We are not script writers. We are a strategy company. We focus on getting your brand from one place to the other. We are that company, right? I think second well-kept secret, and more about that, as we unfold the thing, is that actually we are turning into a tech-led company.
If you had to put a tag, what would it be? Would it be an advertising agency, a digital agency now, as you said? What is it?
I think I have a tag for it, which I keep in my head.
Yeah.
I think we are a lighthouse.
Okay.
We are a lighthouse of strategic brand development.
Okay.
And that's the position we have to keep running to actually keep that reputation alive.
Okay, all the best to you too, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thanks,
so much.
Ankita.
And now it's time for this week's notice board. As a part of its Hawa Badlo initiative, GAIL India Limited launched the much-awaited web series Hawa Badle Hasu. The one-of-its-kind campaign keeps growing with each leg, and this time round the company has embarked upon a unique and ambitious approach of a full season of a web series. The series is heavily hinged on entertainment, conspicuously conveying the messages that company stands for: crusade against air pollution and environment conservation. Each episode tackles crucial spaces and aspects pertaining to environment pollution. The first episode, in fact, focuses on home environment, and as the story progresses, it moves closer to topics such as education, career building options around environment, outdoor environment, and finally escalates to global environment.
तुम ऑटो चला रहे हो, दिमाग में कोई जासूसी पिक्चर चला रहे हो?
आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो।
काम वो काम है जो सबके काम आए।
वो ऑटो वाला नहीं है।
मुझे लग रहा है हसू जी किसी मुसीबत में है।
हमको गायब होने में कितना वक्त लगेगा?
With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. You can catch all of our content on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back same time next week. See you soon.